Okay, here I am logged into my site as a teacher, number one teacher, and my administrators asked me to develop a programming course for the school. So I can see it here. I'm going to go into it directly with this link, Welcome to Java Programming. And right now this is just an empty course, and I'm going to start filling it with content. As I add activities and things like that, I would like my topic areas to be more reflective of the content that they contain. So the very first thing I see at the top, I've got my, what used to be called topic 0 is now called the general topic area, and it would contain things like course outlines and resources that would be common to the entire course. But the topic areas are going to contain resources and topics and activities that would center around a subject or a topic. And that's why I want to rename these to be more reflective of that. I'll tell you right now, the course that I'm just using to develop this demonstration is from the Moodle Exchange on Moodle.org, and that's an area where teachers can upload courses that other teachers can use or further develop for their particular context. So I'm just using that as for my sample here. So the very first thing I need to do is I need to turn editing on. And I want to edit my topic 1. Now the default right now is to use the section name topic 1, but I'm going to give it a more indicative name. And I've got this all copied on the side so you don't have to watch my all thumbs typing. I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to copy my summary of the topic. There we go. This will all appear on the page. You'll see in a moment. And right here I've got restrictive access. I'm not going to use that. We'll be covering that later in the course, in our Moodle course. But restrict access is where you don't have the students jumping all over the course in random order or in order that they want. You can restrict access so that you make sure that students cover things in a particular order. And in a structured programming course, you definitely want them being successful in prior content before jumping to more advanced topics. But I'm not going to use this right now. So I'm going to save my changes. Let's look at what this looks like on the course page. So there I've got my topic name is an introduction, and I've got my little introduction there. Let's do that with the rest of the topics. So topic 2, I'm going to copy this, uncheck the default section name, and this is about data types and looping. I'm going to bring that over. Whoops, excuse me. Told you I was all thumbs. And I want this part as a bulleted list. There we go. I like that. Save the changes. So much easier when you can copy and paste content than making it up yourself. Thank you, Marcus Green, for this course. This is Layout Managers, topic 3. This will just take me a moment. And topic 4 is on arrays. Click on that. Uncheck the default name. Paste that. Grab the summary. Save that. Topic 5 is going to be on applets. Don't forget to uncheck the use section name. It's nice how it stays grayed out there like it did to indicate that it's not going to be using it unless you tell it to. And I'm going to paste this in here. And finally, this is on objects or more objects. This is topic 6. Uncheck that. And I'm going to bring my content over. Just about done. Here's my summary. Save changes. And now my course is already taking shape. I've got my introduction, I've got my data types and looping, I've got layout managers. Students, when they look at this, and just from a bird's eye view, they can get a general idea of what their course is going to be about and how it will proceed. So this is great, much better than the generic section names. So let's look at what it looks like in the navigation bar. So I'm already into my course. If I weren't, I go to my courses. I'm in the sciences section. I've got my welcome to the title of the course, Welcome to Java, participants, reports, and then this is from the teacher's view, right? The general would be that topic 0, and those are all my topic areas. Now, if I had activities in here, when I click here and I would click down on one of these arrows, those activities would also be listed. I just clicked on the introduction one, but since there's no activities there yet, this just goes white because there's nothing to list. All we have is the section title and the description. Okay, so we'll go on next to adding activities.